So, Ate Mia pala. So,
That's your gift to ate?
and this is yours.
Wow! Fan! Okay. Ayan. Ito yung bigay ni Tito Phoebe and ni Tito Armin.
Wow! Pero, baka ma. Oh, wow! Thank you. Number 1.
Okay. To Ate Mia.
So, Ate Mia pala. So,
That's your gift to ate?
and this is yours.
Wow! Open. What's that? Uh-oh.
Want help? Need help? Baka masugat ka. Masugat ka sa stapler.
Wow! What's that? Show to the camera. Chromie! Binigyan namin sila ng 500 pesos. And bibilan nila ng gift yung isa't isa. Ano yan?
Pakita mo sa camera.
Fan. Okay. And then,
Ganda yan. Ganda oh.
thank you daw ate. Okay, this is from Tita Phoebe. Ayan. Ito yung bigay ni Tita Phoebe and ni Tito Armin. Parehas sila cinnamon roll and brownies. And ano pa naman nito? Ayan, kasama yung keychain. May kasamang spoon and fork and some accessories. Ipit. Here your fan. Oh, cinnamon roll fan. Sa Minis mo namin yung binili.
Oh, what's next? Airy and Ariel.
Okay, open it.
Wow!
Wow!
What's yours? Wow!
Sticker. Say, watch. Wow! Wow! Watch. Show.
Nice.
Wow, thank you. Say thank you, Airy and Ariel.
Ganda.
This one naman sa akin. This is from Tita Bear. Thank you, Tita Bear. Ayan.
Wow.
Perfume. Wow. Victoria's Secret. Thank you. Kay Phoebe and kay Ate Hana. Thank you.
And this
Wow.
one is from
Cute bag. Thank you.
Phoebe and Army. Wow. Shirt.
Ayan, ganyan. Oy, color brown. Magagamit mo yan sa New Year.
Nice. Thank you.
From Ate Hana. Uy!
Ay, wow! Wow!
Wow! Blower!
Blower na kayo. Tigisa pa kayo, ha?
Wow, ang ganda! Wow!
Show it to the camera.
Thank you!
Dito, thank you. Ano name? From Mama Weng, Mia. And Mira. From Mama Weng. Woo! Dahan-dahan kasi may stapler, oh. Baka ma. Wow! Nice!
Wow.
Look at the zipper ng kay Mira, oh.
Nice!
And
This one. To Ate Mia and you're from Lola
Ate.
Ate. Put
Later
it
na.
here.
Mira.
Wow!
Wow! Ano pinashow nila sa'yo?
Wow!
Nice!
It's a jelly bag.
Nico and Nika from Boss Pao. Nice! Ganda.
Wow! Another Chromie. Both of you are same.
Say thank you, Nico and Nika. Thank you to
Yeah,
Boss
that's
Pao
why
din.
it's heavy. Say thank you, Boss Pao. Okay, this one from me to Mira. To Mia from Tita. Ted.
Wow!
Wow! A painting.
Painting.
Favorite nila yung mga ganito arts and crafts.
Paintings.
Mahilig sila mag-arts and crafts. And this one naman to Mira from Tito. Right. Ayan. Later mo na ilagay doon, Mira. Yung mga
Tito Rai. I think it's a book. Book ba ito? Painting din.
So cute. Show to the camera.
Thank you, Tito Rai.
Okay. This one naman to Ate Mia. From Mommy and Daddy. Wow, another arts and crafts. Yay!
Open it. What's inside? Nakalagay yun.
What's inside? Okay, what's inside? Ito yung laman niya. Meron siyang paper,
Paper.
crayons, ayan, ang
Colored
dami.
markers.
Color markers, saka sharpener. Ayan, mahilig kasi sila sa
Nice.
mga arts and crafts, mga drawing, ganyan.
From Kuya Kenji and Kuya Kai. For Mira. Open. And from Kuya Kenji. Uy, wow!
Ay, wow!
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 Yes! Wow! Another Kuromis! Kasha ba sa'yo?
Kasha yan, kasha.
Tingin
Try
nga.
it. Try it.
Try. Is it fit?
Sakto.
Oh, yes, sakto!
Galing ah. Galing ni Kuya Kenji at
Ay,
saka
sakto! Ang galing!
sakto dito.
Ang galing na!
Galing ni Kuya Kenji at saka ni Kuya Kai lang. Sabi sa atin yung
Thank
fit
you!
ah.
One for Ate Mia.
Galing kanina yan.
Mamaya mo na ilagay dun para makita nila yung mga stuff na. And this is from Tito Nog and Tita Kat.
Wow!
Wow! Thank you!
Hindi, sakto lang
It's a
yan.
sweater. Ayan. Thank you!
That's from
Ate Mia.
from
Ate Mira.
from Sambet.
From Sambet. Your
Your
cousin.
cousin. Wow! Parang painting na naman. Parang painting na naman. Nice.
Hindi na sila mabuboard.
Ito.
Wow!
Sabi na ng painting set ah.
Ganda! Show it to the camera. Wow! This one is bigger than Ate. Yes.
Uy, dami itong marker sa loob.
Yan, yung mga gusto nila yan. Kasi pag weekdays, bawal sila mag-TV. Weekend lang sila pwede
Nice,
mag-TV.
nice.
So, dami nila mga gagawin ngayon. Weekend. This one, ay, binuksan nyo na. Yeah, Tita Karen and Tito Ram. This one is parang candy advent. 24 milk chocolate advent. Ayan, din siya advent.
Wow.
That's from Daddy Maki.
That's my gift to you.
Wow!
You like it?
Another aqua flash.
Kasi nakikiinom palagi sa tubigan ko eh.
Yeah. Oh, ang ganda ng kulay.
Na color. Kurumi color to oh. Kurumi color yan. Oh.
This one naman pink. Favorite color ni
Oh.
Mira.
Oh, tapos
Nice.
you can-
You can do Mira. oh.
Can
You
drink
can
here,
open
oh.
this on this side.
Straw. This is straw. Nice.
Ganda. Ito yung bago ata nilang design.
Oh, that's mine. Is this mine? Daddy Monkey from Mia and Mira.
Is that her gift to Dad?
What is this? Can you tell me what is this? I'll just open it. Sorry. Too many staplers eh, oh. Wow! Ang dami!
Wow!
Ang daming t-shirt ah.
Wow!
Oh.
Yeah. Mga
Thank
t-shirt.
you. Dami kong bagong t-shirts ah.
Okay, this
Ito, ah.
one from mommy. From mommy. Ay, ito yung bago daw nilang product.
What's that?
Bigay niya.
Ito powder?
Powder, ayan, and more blend herbal juice drink.
Face body soap.
Ayan, and soap. Ayan.
Soap.
To daddy from mommy.
This is from mommy. Pushes
Yeah, I
this
get her.
office. Nice. Nice, nice, mommy.
I
Thanks.
just give her a small little.
Okay, this one naman from Ate Ishel. Thank you, Ate. Ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan kasi nga sabi ko mag-open kami ng gift ngayon.
From Buting Geeks. Buting Geeks, number 1.
I'll fix that.
And it's this one from GBN or Gabi ba?
Wow.
Thank you, Ate Ishel. Ngayon ko pa lang siya i-open. Nice. I got this black. Small, I think this is the small bag. A small, version ng hobo bag nila. I chose black kasi wala pa akong black na
Ganda pala.
maganda yung leather. Genuine leather na yan or something.
Nice. This one, my gift for you, mom. My gift to mommy.
Wow!
Merry Christmas, mommy.
Wow! Kunyari hindi ko alam kung ano lang. Pero ako ang pumili. This is from True Value. Anything na magagamit namin dito sa house. Open ko na nga din.
Kasi, namimiss niya na daw mag-bake.
Mommy!
Got this! Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, love you.
This is from Immerflex. 3-in-1 convection rotisserie oven. So, makapag-bake na tayo ulit. And,
Bake and...
ano siya, pwedeng mag-roast, roasting, baking, pwedeng mga barbecue, broiler na rin, ganyan. Inopen na ng kids yung mga nila, arts and crafts. Yes, so excited to do this.
Lulutuan na naman ako ng masarap na baon. Laki eh.
Ano to? 23 liters ba to? Or
30.
this is 30 liters. And dapat yung 20 liters yung kukunin namin. Mas mura kasi yung 5,000 pesos tapos naka-less 30% discount siya. So lumalabas parang 3,500 na lang siya. Eh, ubus na. Nung nagpunta kami, this is the last piece na ng 40 liters na lang yung available. 40? Tama?
30.
30 liters na lang yung available that time. Tapos naka 30% pa siya. So, kuha na natin. Sayang yung, diba, discount. From 6,000 pesos to 6,000 ba or 7,000?
Hindi, 9.
Ayun ba? Basta gano'n, basta naka-less 30%.
Wow!
Ito yung manual niya, guys. So, lagay mo lang. Lagay mo na yung pizza bag. Thank you! Thank you, Dad. So, yun lang, guys. Girls, come on! Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ginagawa nila. O, diba? Kagulo na sila dyan. Hindi na alam paano gagawin sa mga gifts. Thank you po sa mga nagbigay. Say thank you! O, say bye-bye na to the vlog. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching this video. And Merry Christmas! Thank you sa mga nagbigay ng gifts. And ayun lang. I hope to see you again in our next vlog. Bye! More vlogs on 2025. Bye!